Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export contacts on Outlook application. So first of all, of course, if you have Outlook application on your PC or on your desktop, that will be great. But of course, if you don't have it, you will need to go and download it through any browser you are currently using. Just go and open the browser and type at the URL section, download Outlook, and of course, follow the instructions of downloading. I guess it's pretty simple. So once you did that, all you need to do, just go and open your Outlook, and you will need to actually log in into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you will be able even to create one. Those two options are easy as well to do by your own. So just do that. And once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or with this main screen. And as you said in the beginning of the video, we would like to export contacts on our Outlook application. So first of all we need to do is just go to the top right corner option, File, and click on that. That will open this for us. Now I will need to go and click at Open and Export. Now I will need to choose Import and Export. And as you can see, this opens this for me. So of course from here you will need to choose how you want to export it. Choose whatever you want. So let's say an example, you want to export this as a file. Click on Next. Of course, from here you would like to select the comma separated values and hit the next button. And of course, and here you'd like to select the folder that you want to export the contacts from. So of course, let me just search for that. You will probably want to export it from contacts, as you can see. So just select that and click at Next. And as you can see, you'd like to save the exported file as, like, name it whatever you want, maybe test or contacts, and you can browse to put it wherever you want, and you will be able to hit the next button, then hit the finish button. I don't want to do that. For me, I'm just gonna hit cancel, but for you, will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.